Good afternoon, entrepreneurs. In see about one app called Unroll.me. Unrollme. Unroll.me. Unroll.me application that allows you to opt out of receiving email from email senders who are not interested in receiving emails quickly. For an average consumer, uh, like out of hundreds of emails is now overwhelmed by daily flood of marketing campaigns. So in that email box, this app is wonderful. Using Unroll is because the app contains a list. Allow you to unsubscribe from these lists with a single click of the app, and it includes a useful feature called roll up, which allows you to combine all the emails you receive into one organized mail. Yes, so moving any sensitive detail information, they keep your information safe. Uh, so in Unroll.me wants to build market research based on your anonymous information to analyze consumer trends. Let's see what this app is. I hope my screen. Yes. So, right. Um, so the company claims that they see a list of your subscriptions and helps you unsubscribe them easily, and they don't charge you for this facilities that they provide. Unsubscribe with a one click, then combine your favorite subscription, uh, live a more organized and efficient way, and there it is also available on phones. This app is available as well. This Unroll.me is owned by Recurrence, an e-commerce measurement, and let us get into this C functions. They ask for a simple sign up. So signing up has been done. The full screen. Okay, you have to select your account, whatever, like whichever account you want to declutter that account, and okay, give them permission. It's working fast. See, seconds they have found that there are 28 email subscriptions in my inbox. So now I have to say whether they require that or not. Let us start editing. You have the choice with if you want to unsubscribe totally, you can click here. If you want to keep in the inbox, you can click here. If you want to roll up, you can click here. So I'll just do that. So see, what to do, and okay. Once you are done that, the finish editing button. So now within few seconds, I have unsubscribed to my unsubscribed 6, roll up 5, and 11. So I'm going to hit this button. I don't want to share on the thing like that. So see, everything is done. So the next inbox will be, so it is that easy. Again, like if you like the subscriptions, you can go edit and then uh, subscribe them or subscribe them and they have a support system, FAQ. Features what this offer, it's a simple app. I it will help to declutter. I have literally 6 inboxes, so daily it is I load full of 50 to 60 emails in each inbox. Imagine like how much testing going through all those mails, and in between these stack of emails I made an email. So unroll.me helps to declutter the inbox. Hope this was useful for you. Give me the likes and hearts. I like hearts, so give me more hearts if you have liked it. Yes, we'll meet again with another useful session. If you have any questions, put it in the comment box. Stay marvelous.